So this is Bedok Reservoir, and I'm going to find my friends. Where are they? Yeah. I hope I can remember that. Oh my god. Yeah. So it's a cloudy day here in Bedok Reservoir. Okay. Yeah. I hope I can find them. They are on the other side. Yeah. This is Bedok Reservoir. Try to find my friends. Where are they?
November 11 nga binti para sa 11 million. 11 million ba? 11 million. Sa Lora kada sa Lazada kada shop. Daan. Hindi kalman na install ko ang Grab, Foodpanda, Deliveroo, may pag-upload.
Good afternoon, magandang hapon po. Okay, I'm here and my friends are there at the back. I'm here at the lake in Bedok Reservoir. Yeah, look at that. So this is a Bedok Reservoir. Okay, I'm going to close a bit. Yeah. It's a lake. It's a Bedok Reservoir. Good afternoon. I'm here now at the Bedok Reservoir with my friends. Yeah. Although it's cloudy here and at the same time there's a little bit sun. Yeah. Hello po, magandang hapon. Okay, I want to turn it. Hello, good afternoon. This is a kayak. I think this is a small. What do you call that? Yeah, they use it to the lake. Yeah, I'm here at the, and there is a Zoom zip line. Look at that. Yeah, Zoom zip line. And this is a forest adventure to take to the zip line. So this is the zip line. Yeah. Until there. This is a zip line. I think it costs like $20 for the entrance for this zip line until there. Yeah, it goes over there. Yeah. Yeah, this is the zip line. Okay, I'm going to close it. Yeah. And this one. It goes there a long way until there.